This is the preview video for Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. We're going to start with math, exit ticket 10, and we continue our work with decimals. And again, we're going to compare greater than, less than, or equal to. But be careful because you would need to look at the place value for the tenths or the hundredths. And it's also in unit form. So it's very important to read that carefully. For MCAS practice, we're the two passages that have similar themes or ideas. There's an article on fear factors and a myth from Ethiopia, conquering fear. Going to read those, answer the multiple choice, and ultimately create an organizer to respond to the prompt and write your written response. Your special is either music, art, phys ed, or digital learning. And after lunch and recess, you have extra math practice, which your teacher will assign to you. For literacy, we are finishing up. These are the last two chapters of The Lightning Thief, chapters 21 and 22. For writing, you're going to publish and illustrate your myth. After snack, you're going to do the West region, day 2. And this is your last region. And you're going to think of the topography, which are the landforms. There are deserts and valleys. There are mountains and volcanoes. There's a great deal. As you can see, most of the United States are green. But if you look in the West, there are a lot of different colors and landforms, especially in Alaska and Hawaii. So you're going to click on the globe to visit Bryce Canyon in Utah. You're going to search for the Kilauea in Hawaii, the most active volcano in America. Where is that? There it is. You're going to search for Denali in Alaska. It's the highest peak in North America. And you're going to search for the Great Salt Lake. Oh, you can even see it there. It is the largest saltwater lake in the Western Hemisphere. And the whole hemisphere is half of a sphere. In this half of the world, it is the largest saltwater lake. So you're going to visit those places. And then you're going to talk about the landforms. You're going to look at the climate. It's interesting if you look at this, because even in January, Las Vegas is 60, Los Angeles is 68, but Alaska is 23. So it's a very interesting region. And if you look at the summer, look at Las Vegas, 105 in Nevada. Honolulu doesn't even get that hot. So you're going to use the climate map, right? You can see Hawaii's temperatures, Alaska's temperatures, but the rest of the region, you can see that it's mild winter, warm, dry summer. Then you're going to look at the population, and you'll see that there aren't any states that are losing population. Actually, some are growing at an inordinate and a large rate. 11.5, Utah 12.2, Washington State 10.1. So, but you can also see that, look at Washington per square mile, how many people live there. Look at California and Hawaii. They're jam-packed in there. Okay, so you can see the colors. Obviously white, there aren't or even bright yellow, there aren't that many people living there. The darker the blue, that's where people are packed in. So you can see which states are mostly yellow, and look it over in the northeast and southeast. It's a lot of blue, and then it gets more yellow as we move out west. We're going to look at the trades by using this map. And again, I think you'll be surprised. And then for the region, the West is known for its beautiful beaches, the entertainment industry, and its fertile valleys. So Alaska is known for its massive glaciers and cold climate. There's a picture there. And you can go see how there's a link. You can go there. Oh, actually, that's not Hawaii. That's not Alaska. That's Hawaii. Hawaii is known for its traditional luau celebrations. So that's there. People travel from all over the world to ski in Colorado. and most television shows and movies are in Hollywood. Okay, and being near the Pacific Ocean gives the West region an abundance of good seafood. The California roll, a type of sushi made with avocado, seaweed, and rice, was invented in Los Angeles. So that is the last of our regions and the last of social studies. It's been wonderful. We will see you tomorrow.